Everyday English. Heat up some soup, explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, heat up some soup. This might sound simple, but there's a lot packed into these few words that can help you understand everyday English even better. Let's get started. Heat up is a phrasal verb in English. Phrasal verbs combine a verb with a preposition or an adverb, and they often take on a meaning different from the original verb. Here, heat means to make something hot, and up is an adverb that intensifies the action. So, heat up means to make something hot or warmer than it currently is. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversation, especially in a kitchen or meal setting. When someone says, heat up some soup, they're usually talking about warming pre-cooked soup, often from a can or a previous meal, to a temperature that's enjoyable to eat. It's a casual and informal way to talk about preparing food. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. 1. After work, I'm too tired to cook tonight. I'll just heat up some soup for dinner. 2. In a household, can you heat up some soup for your little brother while I finish this work? 3. Phone call to a friend. Hey, I just got home. Give me a few minutes to heat up some soup, and then we can chat. This phrase can also be altered slightly to fit different contexts. For example, heat up some water for tea or coffee. Heat up leftovers for a quick meal. Heat up the oven before baking. And that's a wrap on heat up some soup. This phrase is a great example of how English speakers use phrasal verbs in everyday conversation. We hope this video helps you in your journey to master the English language. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.